And then this shit is like can you see that? Yesterday someone called me a lobster. Hola Javier, ¿cómo vas? Uy. Mm. Any house, little boats. Oh, this is so chill. I could totally It's amazing. It's so chill. I think the Wi-Fi is like coming on and off. Wait, look. A little boat is coming this way. It's coming this way. Very slowly. Very, very slowly. Hi, Joe. Jay. Little boat. Whoop. Whoop. Hi, guys. Give me 2 seconds. If maybe like the wire or some shit. Well, now it's working. Should I just like stay here and chill, or should we like go inside? Maybe we should go inside. Oh. Could you imagine like maybe like my phone like falling off here like whoop? Shelly, no. Where are you? I'm boating, love. How are you doing? It was a tough day today. Papi's home. Ah, Jess, who is this? Manicon. Time why? I'm just gonna say why. Why? Why? I'm going over to you. Oh, aren't you so sweet? Thank you. No, I'm like, why did we change the name to like, what? So, Jess, we are boating. How are you? I'm good. I'm good. I'm almost done with my hours for the month. Cheers to that. And then yes, lucky. Yes, well, I was working too, so there are a lot of things that are like super wrong with this boat. So I'm here to translate some stuff, some meetings, and yeah, yeah. Boy, no, I'm still gonna be here. Just maybe some for the rebates and stuff that I have to be on here for like 20 minutes for each event. But yeah, oh my god, I was so late. I saw like these feet there. Do you see these feet? Wait, no, you can't. Oh, you can. Well, there were like these feet, and I was like, oh my god, the fuck. Sometimes you see trippy shit here. Ew, you did not just say that. Pochi. Well, at least it's nice out. Yes, it's super cloudy right now, and it's windy. But it's perfect after a horrible, like, hot weather where you couldn't even breathe. It was like so bad you couldn't even breathe. But now it's good, so we're happy. We are all very happy. Oh, I'm just gonna sit here. Oh, yes. I'm just gonna sit here like this and chill. Any house. Everybody. Okay, I've been here for like 40 minutes. I think I'm going to Mexico. I'll be here tomorrow. I'll be here tomorrow for the rebate. Not the crying. No, I'll see you I'll see you tomorrow.